In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Steam games on GeForce NOW. If you want your supported Steam titles to show up inside GeForce NOW, the process is quick and straightforward. Once your accounts are connected, GeForce NOW can detect the Steam games you already own and add compatible ones to your library, which makes it much easier to start playing without searching for each title manually. To begin, open the GeForce NOW app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main interface without interruptions. This is where you'll manage your game library, account settings, and connected services. Next, open the settings area. You can do this by clicking the menu icon, then selecting settings. If you're new to the app, this section is where GeForce NOW keeps most account-related options, including service connections and library preferences. Once you're in settings, look for the connections section and select it. This is the area where you can link external gaming platforms to your GeForce NOW account. Connecting your platforms helps GeForce NOW recognize the games you already own on those services. Inside Connections, find Steam and click Connect. This tells GeForce NOW that you want to link your Steam account so it can check your owned games and identify which ones are supported on the platform. Be sure you're selecting the correct service before continuing, especially if you use multiple game libraries. After that, a browser window will open and prompt you to sign in to your Steam account. Go ahead and complete the sign-in process there. As always, make sure you're signing in through the official Steam login page and use your own account credentials securely. Once the sign-in is complete, return to the GeForce NOW app. Now, give it a moment while your library syncs. This step may take a little time depending on your connection and account activity, so don't worry if the results don't appear instantly. After the sync finishes, any Steam games you own that are supported by GeForce NOW should appear in the My Library section. If you don't see every game you own, keep in mind that only supported Steam titles will show up in GeForce NOW. So if a game is missing, it usually means that specific title isn't currently available on the service. And that's it. Your Steam account is now connected and your GeForce NOW library should be updated with your supported games, making it much faster to jump in and start playing.